I'm Julie and I'm from Pelicantic Truffles. We are a family of truffle hunters and we deal exclusively in white truffles. And we're going to look today at what happens when a truffle is about to pass its sell-by date, when you kind of really need to use it. And it's the beginning of the season now, it's just the end of September, and the truffles aren't great quality, but you can make some really nice truffle butter. So that's what we're going to look at today. So today we're going to make a fairly strong truffle butter because, again, this is the start of the season and the truffles themselves aren't that aromatic. So we're going to use all of these, which is 145 grams of white truffle, and we'll be using 250, maybe 300 grams of butter. Traditionally we would grate white truffles using one of these mini mandolins, but to make truffle butter it's probably easier to use a classic grater. You get better dispersion. So that's what I'm going to do today. So this is the last truffle we'll be using. And you can see there's quite a lot of white truffle in there. Obviously you can make one which isn't so strong, and the longer you keep it, the more the butter will infuse with the flavour. So, but we're planning to eat this today. And again, we're just using these up before they turn. I mean, truffles are best eaten within 4 days. Let's say it's Wednesday today, we got these on Sunday. Okay, the next step will be to grate the butter. So, do you want to stop? So we got this butter from the local market, the Aldi, and I'm going to grate this. Now, you don't have to grate the butter. If you leave it at room temperature, it might be easier to do it that way. So here we go. And you can use salted or unsalted, just entirely depending on your taste. So we've grated the butter and you can see the truffles underneath. I'm going to add some salt because I like things to be salty. So I'm going to use some fancy salt. I've just crushed that a little bit over here. Get some salt in. Okay. And then the next stage is to mix that up however you like. Just trying to combine these two ingredients with salt. As you can see, it's turning a lovely brown, buttery colour, and it smells fabulous. Okay, so I've finished mashing the truffle and butter together, and you can see that it's a nice browny, beigey, no bits of butter. What you can do is to get rid of these like little pots, and you can plastic pots, because these freeze quite well, and so you can pop these in the freezer and then put them on your steak and enjoy truffles all year round. Alright, so I'm just going to put a nice generous helping of the truffle butter onto the steak and let it melt there. You don't have to serve truffle butter with steak. You can put it on top of a risotto, you can put it on top of pasta, on top of scrambled eggs. The only thing to remember is don't cook anything with white truffles in it. It shouldn't be exposed to like any heat other than residual heat, and enjoy it. Okay. Okay, so there's a couple of slices there. Right, so that's ready to serve with a nice green salad and a glass of red wine. So I'm just going to shave a little bit more truffle on top of this, make it extra truffly, and that's it. And so bon appetit. And I'd also like to say in bocca al lupo to all of the truffle hunters. Keep on bringing the good stuff.